Is it the right time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report went live on our website on Thursday, November 30th, 2023. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 1, 2023, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a hold/accumulate, with a score of -0.81. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During this time, the stock has exceeded our expectations and gained 12.14% since our initial recommendation to buy Advanced Micro Devices 21 days ago. This means an average daily return of 0.58% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term. This presents a potential opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we may see a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $124.13, it could indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 16.77% change expected over the next 3 months. This means that the stock could have a return between -3.18% and 19.63%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 45.54% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return between 18% and 82.35%. In other words, the stock price could range from $142.97 to $220.93 after a year. Our latest update on Advanced Micro Devices brings some concerning news. The stock has been downgraded to hold/accumulate, reflecting a weaker technical forecast. On the last trading day, Thursday, November 30th, 2023, the Advanced Micro Devices stock price experienced a decline of -2.17%. It went from $123.85 to $121.16. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $119.66 and a high of $124.05, representing a 3.67% fluctuation. While the stock has shown an upward trend in the past 10 days, with price increases in 6 of those days, it is currently up by 2.68% over the last 2 weeks. However, it's worth noting that volume increased by 6 million shares on the last day, despite falling prices. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $5.30 billion worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 44 million shares exchanged. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest price reached $132.82, while the lowest price was $60.05. Currently, the stock is trading at a price that is 8.78% or $11.66 below its 52-week high. It is also 26.33% or $43.30 below its all-time high, which was recorded on November 30th, 2021, when the price reached $164.46. Let's take a look at some recent analyst ratings for AMD. On Monday, November 13, 2023, Citigroup gave AMD a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Bernstein gave AMD a market perform grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, November 1, 2023, Raymond James gave AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. On Monday, October 30, 2023, KeyBank gave AMD an overweight grade with a hold action. According to analysts, Advanced Micro Devices stock has received a general buy rating. The PE ratio is rated as strong buy, and the price to book is also considered as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. Let's take a look at the signals for Advanced Micro Devices. The Advanced Micro Devices stock has a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is higher than the long-term average, it indicates a general buy signal for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $121.95. On the other hand, if the stock falls, it may find support from the long-term average at approximately $110.96. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. There are also some negative signals to consider. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, November 29, 2023, resulting in a 2.17% decrease in the stock. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of these signals. Today, let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's indicating a sell signal. Pivots, we received a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, it's showing a buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, a sell signal was given 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 22 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, we received a buy signal 19 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, it's indicating a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, we received a buy signal 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, a buy signal was generated 10 days ago. If you want to explore more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss levels for Advanced Micro Devices. Advanced Micro Devices currently find support from accumulated volume at $118.59. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as it is expected to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. When it comes to volatility, this stock demonstrates average movements throughout the day, making the risk level medium. In the past 24 hours, the stock has fluctuated between a high of $4.39 and a low of $4.39, representing a 3.67% change. Over the past week, the average daily volatility has been 2.01%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's first cover some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. In the case of Advanced Micro Devices, the PE ratio is extremely high. This suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 30, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share is set at $0.770. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we're going to explore potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices is set at $121.53. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before making a move. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be an interesting level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices encounters its first support level at $118.59. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the possibility of a rebound. Advanced Micro Devices has received a buy rating from multiple analyst sources. Now let's dive into some recent insider trades. Sue Lisa T., one of the company's insiders, recently bought and sold a total of 159,143 shares or options. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 4.990. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 1,530,175 shares and sold 1,358,070 shares. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $116.86, which represents a decrease of 3.55%. This stock exhibits medium daily movements, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was detected 1 day ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Despite several negative signals, Advanced Micro Devices should be considered a hold candidate. While there is a chance for a turnaround, further development is needed. We have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the last trading day and find that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, December 1st, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open up $0.463 and start trading at $121.62. Before we begin, it's crucial to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. What target do you have for this stock? We appreciate your support, so remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.